back to my channel. My name is Sierra, and today I want to work on this little tray mold. I want to do with these stickers, a little Halloween tray mold. I have 2 ounces of resin mixed up, and I have these little cups here. I want to divide them up for my glitter. So let's see if I can get them divided up somewhat equal. That's not that important that they're exactly equal. So I have to get some candy for the trick-or-treaters in my neighborhood. I haven't got the candy yet. We get a lot of kids trick-or-treating in our neighborhood. I mean, it starts around, I don't know, 4:30, 5 o'clock, and it is non-stop kids until 8:30, 9 o'clock at night. And we buy so much candy, and we run out every year. And it's like, it doesn't matter how much we buy, we run out of candy. I mean, we get so many kids. I have plum purple. This is Arteza glitter. I have neon orange, neon lemon, and neon green. I'm hoping that these colors, let me pick this up again, go with these. So we'll see. And I just want to do the edge of this with these colors. So I'm going to drop some yellow like there. Let's go purple in this one. I'll add more if I need it. I don't even know if I'm going to need all this glitter, all this resin. I don't know how much that little edge takes in resin. So that's why I did 2 ounces. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's mix up the yellow. Okay, let's mix up the orange. Do the purple. And the neon green. I think I want a little bit more. Do I need more in there? Yeah. Just a little bit more in this one. That should be good. All right, I'm going to start with the green and go along like that. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with the yellow. I'll clean this up as I go. And now we're going to go with the purple. And now the orange. Apparently I mixed up way too much resin, but that's okay. Add some more yellow over here. Looks good. Some more green right here. I think that'll be, I don't have enough purple, do I? Let's see if I can. There we go. That looks good. Then once this cures, I will come in and do a little clear coat, and then we'll put the stickers down. But I'm gonna let that cure up. I'll probably put my heat mat on because I'm not worried about too much about the bubbles. And what I can do, let me get this. It's just a baby wipe with some alcohol on it, and I'm just gonna go like this just to, I don't want to mix the colors too much, so wipe it off. Get into this purple. I'll drag some of that purple into the orange. That's good. Go in here. Yep, and that's it. We'll let that cure up, and I will be back for the next step. Okay, this is cured. I did put it on my heat mat for about an hour. I have 2 ounces of resin here. Not sure I'm going to need that much. I just want to put a very thin coat on the bottom of this mold. Don't want a lot. But then again, I don't know how much it will take to cover the mold. Probably could get away with it because I do want to cover the whole thing. Just want enough room to come in with the backfill. Let's see what we got. Okay. I think that'll be good. Let me just go around the edge with my little silicone tool. Make sure I got all the bubbles. That's where the bubbles are going to hang out. Just along the edge here. All right. I'm going to give a little spritz of isopropyl alcohol. And I'll be back as soon as this tacks up. I don't think I want this to cure up completely. I'm going to let it sit for about an hour and then come back and we'll add the stickers. All right, this is cured enough. I am going to get these stickers like this. And this one. And I think what I want to do, let's see. Yeah. I'm going to put a little bit of alcohol on the back of this to get it unsticky. Okay. And I'm going to set that in like that. Looking good. And then I want this one with this ghost. I'll show you. I'm just like that. And I want to bring it down. I'm going to spray some alcohol on the back to get rid of the sticky. Just so I can let go of it. Like that. Okay. Yeah, I want this one here. see, I could put a ghost behind it. Let's see. You can come up like this. So make sure he'll fit. Yep. Okay, get the sticky off. Let's set that in like that. I've been letting this resin sit up for a little over an hour. And now I want to put some of these skulls in. Don't want to fill it up too much with stuff, but just have it be kind of cute. Let's go right here. Make sure my fingers don't stick to the sticker. And a spider. Let's put another couple spiders in there. Put it down. And one more. Okay, I'm going to let that cure. Yep, and I don't know, maybe I should put another, no, I don't want it to be too full. I was thinking about putting something there, but I'm going to leave it. Yeah. I'm going to put this in there. Let me get the bigger one. I go from not going to do any, I'm going to put a bigger one in there. Let me just get it spritzed so it's not. I'm just going to set it right there. Okay, I'm going to let that cure up and I will be back in a few. Okay, this is cured enough. I noticed that the stickers did a little ripple. See it? Now, I don't know if that's going to affect it in any way. We'll find out. I have 2 ounces of resin. I mixed in some of my black resin dye. I get it from Little Windows. I have everything that I'm using linked in the description box. I'll try and find the stickers, but as far as the mold, resin, the glitters, and the color, I'll have down in there. So I got 2 ounces mixed up. I don't know if that's going to be enough. If not, we will find out. It could probably use maybe another ounce. So I'm going to mix that up and just top it off. And I'll be back when it's cured for the demold. Okay, this is cured. Let's see what we have. Let's see, I have some little bit of overspill, ain't nothing. Okay, that was easy enough. Let's see what we got. I hope it's pretty. Oh, wow. Look at that. That turned out gorgeous. That is beautiful. Wow, that is so pretty. That is so much better than I expected. What do you think? Do you like it? I mean, that is just gorgeous. Look at that. Wow. I have to say that I am pleasantly surprised. Very much so. I love how that looks on the sides. And I don't have to do any sanding. I mean, I don't have to do any cleanup on this at all. That turned out beautiful. Let me know what you think. You know, let me know in the comments if you like it. If you like the colors. I love the colors. Oh my goodness. Wow, that is beautiful. I just can't believe it. Notice a couple little bubbles, but I am not stressed about that. That turned out gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. I hope my camera is picking up those colors. Wow, is that beautiful. So there it is. There is my little Halloween tray. I have to say this is probably one of my favorite trays that I can think of. I mean, the colors are just so vibrant, so beautiful. So there it is. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and let me know. Let me know what you like about it or what you would do different. Your likes and comments really help my channel. I can't stress that enough. So let me know in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It is free. And to my subscribers, I truly appreciate you and you have a great day and God bless. Bye.